Have you ever wondered if a woman is secretly giving you signals, hoping you'll make a move, but you didn't even realize it? Imagine this. She's right in front of you, dropping hints through her actions, her body language, even the way she smiles. And you might be missing them completely. Today, I'm going to uncover the 6 most powerful and common signs women use to invite physical connection. But here's the real game changer. I won't just help you spot these signs. I'll also show you exactly how to respond with confidence and authenticity. And trust me, once you master this, your interactions with women will transform. No more awkward moments, no more second guessing. But here's the thing. If you miss even one of these signs, you might lose the opportunity to connect in a way that could lead to something meaningful. So stick with me until the end, because not only will you learn to read her signals like a pro, but you'll also discover how to make every move feel natural and effortless. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to build deeper, more genuine connections that could change how women see you forever. Ready to take your confidence to the next level? Let's dive in. Sign 1. She plays with her hair or accessories near you. When a woman starts playing with her hair or adjusting her accessories while she's talking to you, it's rarely a coincidence. This subtle action often reflects a mix of excitement and positive nervousness. It's her subconscious way of drawing attention to herself and signaling that she's interested in you. This behavior is instinctive and natural, making it one of the clearest signs of attraction. As a man, your role is to recognize this cue and respond in a way that builds connection. The key is to avoid overthinking. A simple, genuine compliment can go a long way. For example, you might say, "I couldn't help but notice how cute you look when you do that with your hair." This not only acknowledges her actions, but also creates an immediate sense of trust and rapport. It's important to remain confident and relaxed when delivering compliments. Avoid sounding rehearsed or insincere, as women can easily pick up on fake flattery. Also, don't be afraid to let the moment linger. Eye contact paired with a warm smile can enhance the impact of your response, making her feel more connected to you. Remember, the goal is to create a comfortable and engaging atmosphere. By responding naturally and confidently, you show her that you're paying attention and that you value her subtle attempts to connect. This sets the stage for deeper conversations and stronger chemistry. Sign 2. She prolongs eye contact while flashing playful smiles. One of the most powerful nonverbal signals a woman can give is prolonged eye contact, especially when paired with a playful or coy smile. This isn't just a random glance. It's an intentional move to gauge your interest and communicate hers. Eye contact is a universal language of attraction, and when it's accompanied by a smile, it's her way of saying, "I see you and I want you to notice me." So, how should you respond? The first rule is, don't look away too quickly. Instead, hold her gaze for a moment and return her smile with one of your own. This simple act shows confidence and reinforces the connection she's trying to create. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude confidence without appearing overly eager. Once you've established this connection through eye contact, it's time to take the interaction a step further. Initiate a conversation with something light-hearted and engaging. For instance, you could say, "You have an incredible smile. It makes me wonder what's behind it." This not only acknowledges her non-verbal cue, but also sets a playful tone for the interaction. As the conversation unfolds, look for opportunities to close the physical distance subtly. Lean in slightly or maintain consistent eye contact to build intimacy. Remember, women often communicate more through their expressions and body language than through words, so staying attuned to these cues can make all the difference. Sign 3. She finds excuses to create physical proximity. When a woman deliberately positions herself closer to you or finds subtle ways to touch you, it's a clear sign of interest. This might look like her brushing against your arm as she walks by, sitting closer to you than necessary, or even leaning in when you're talking. These small gestures are her way of testing the waters to see if you'll notice and reciprocate. Your first step is to acknowledge and respond naturally. If she brushes past you, offer a warm smile or a light, respectful touch on her arm. You could say something like, "I like having you this close. It makes our conversation more enjoyable." Such statements create an inviting atmosphere while respecting her boundaries. When she reduces the physical space between you, maintain steady eye contact and engage her in meaningful conversation. This is an excellent opportunity to deepen your connection by showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings. If the setting feels right, you might even take a step toward a more intimate gesture, such as a casual hug or holding her hand. The key here is to move at her pace. Women often communicate comfort and attraction through these subtle proximity cues, and your ability to read and respond to them will demonstrate your confidence and attentiveness. Sign 4. She mimics your gestures and movements. When a woman starts mirroring your actions, crossing her arms when you do, leaning in when you lean in, or matching your tone of voice, it's a strong subconscious sign of connection. Mirroring is her way of signaling that she's comfortable with you and feels a sense of rapport. Your job is to notice and subtly encourage this behavior. Start by maintaining open, approachable body language. Sit or stand in a relaxed position, avoid crossing your arms, and make your movements fluid and natural. If she mimics these actions, it's a sign she's subconsciously syncing with your energy. To take it a step further, test the waters with a warm, casual gesture. For example, lean in slightly during your conversation, or lightly touch her arm when making a point. If she reciprocates, it's a clear green light to move the interaction toward a more personal connection. Mirroring is all about rhythm and pacing. By keeping your movements and gestures calm and inviting, you create a comfortable space for her to express her interest naturally. Sign 5. She laughs and touches you. During fun moments. Laughter is one of the most powerful ways people bond, and when a woman laughs while lightly touching your arm or shoulder, it's more than just a reaction to humor. It's her way of building a deeper connection. This playful touch is an invitation for you to engage more closely with her. Your response should match her energy. If she touches your arm, return the gesture casually, making sure it feels natural and comfortable. For instance, you could give a light touch on her shoulder while saying something funny or playful. The idea is to reinforce the sense of mutual comfort and enjoyment. Keep the moment light and fun by continuing the humor. Playful banter helps maintain the positive vibe and makes her feel relaxed around you. However, always gauge her reactions to ensure that your touch and words are welcome. Physical interaction should always feel mutual and respectful. When she seeks proximity while laughing, it's a clear opportunity to strengthen your bond. Lean into the shared moment and allow the connection to grow naturally. Sign 6. She alternates between closeness and distance. If a woman moves closer to you and then steps back, don't be confused. It's her way of testing your interest and adding an element of intrigue. This push and pull dynamic creates excitement and keeps the interaction engaging. When you notice this behavior, stay composed and confident. If she steps into your space, respond by closing the distance slightly, showing that you're interested. For instance, if she leans in to share something, you can subtly lean in too, creating a sense of closeness without rushing. However, if she steps back, don't panic or overreact. Give her space while maintaining a calm and confident demeanor. This shows that you respect her boundaries and are attuned to her comfort level. The trick is to find a balance. Engage with her when she's close, but remain steady and self-assured when she steps away. This dynamic keeps the interaction playful and builds anticipation. By responding to her cues, you show her that you're both interested and emotionally intelligent, which are highly attractive qualities. Now you know the 6 subtle but powerful signs a woman gives when she's open to touch, and how to respond to each one with confidence and care. These tips aren't just about reading signals, they're about building authentic connections and creating meaningful interactions. If this video gave you valuable insights, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Have you noticed any of these signs before? Share your story and let's discuss.